Hello, children. Good morning, dear kids. Today I'm going to teach you on an island. It's a very easy drawing for kids. And watch this video to learn how to draw an island and very cute island. Okay, so let's start and watch this video. पहले तो हम लोग पेंसिल से ड्रॉ कर लेंगे और उसके बाद एक चिजल मार्कर है, इससे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, आउटलाइन कर लेंगे। जो ड्राइंग मैंने किया है उसके ऊपर पर चिजल मार्कर से आउटलाइन कर लेंगे। ये मार्केट में बहुत ही इजीली अवेलेबल हो जाएगा, 10 रुपीज़ का आता है, बहुत अच्छा मार्कर है। इससे ड्राइंग को हम लोग पहले आउटलाइन कर लेंगे। इस तरीके से ये एक आइलैंड है जो छोटे बच्चे के लिए बहुत ही प्यारा सा ड्राइंग है। क्लाउड को हम लोग आउटलाइन नहीं करेंगे, क्लाउड कैसे छोड़ देंगे। इसके बाद ऑयल पेस्टल कलर करेंगे हम लोग। ऑयल पेस्टल करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम लोग करेंगे ऑकर येलो, वन साइड से ऑकर येलो खींचेंगे, इस तरह से खींचेंगे। Always remember that when you feel color, then you have to feel color in a one direction, like you don't have to put color in the zigzag line, you have to feel color in one direction. This thing. Now this is light green. First fill color outline, first do outline, then in one direction you have to move like this. You don't look like zigzag line. You have to always color like one direction, and then you can color mixing also. You can do color mixing like light green, and now you have to use dark green on the another side. This type of, and you have to put a light pressure for here to mix. Very light pressure you have to do for color mixing. Then light blue color for the water you have to do. The light blue color you have to put in in the horizontal direction like this. You have to put this color in a horizontal direction like this. While coloring, you don't have to change the direction. You have to keep the color the part horizontal line. This way. Okay. Then follow occur behind inside. The bottom part of the land is yellow ochre color. Now color the leaf of the coconut tree. First you have to use light green. Then you have to use the dark green. One side is light and another side is dark green. Now this is complete. Not a complete drawing. This is a leaf color. Okay. Here is a coconut. You have to show two coconuts are there. One side is yellow ochre and then another side is light brown. Okay. Like this. Now you have to fill sky. By leaving the cloud, you feel the sky. By leaving the cloud. Yes. Okay, this color. And the dark color here. You have to mix like this. And also you see you have to put the dark blue color in bottom side, क्योंकि क्या होता है जब हम दूर से सामने की ओर आते हैं, दूर में लाइट कलर यूज़ करते हैं और जैसे जैसे नज़दीक की ओर आते हैं हम लोग इसको डार्क करते हैं। ओके, थोड़ा सा लाइट ब्लू के इसके साथ मिक्स कर देंगे हम लोग, थोड़ा सा मैच करने के लिए कलर को। Like this, if you have middle blue color, then you can use also middle blue color. Okay, your drawing is ready now. Look this. Now you can fill color easily. Okay, bye children. Subscribe our video for more learning videos of drawing art videos. I will send you. Bye bye.